Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to deposit cryptocurrency on your OKx Exchange account. So once you sign up and you are on your account, all you need to do right now, if you are using a mobile device, is to click on assets. You see assets, you find assets at the bottom right corner of your phone. Yeah, right here you can see assets right there. All you need to do is to click on assets. So when you click on assets, you click on deposits. So once you click on deposits, you search right here at the top for the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. So let's say you want to exchange you want to deposit Ethereum. So you search for Ethereum. After searching for Ethereum, all you need to do is to select your network. So this is where you select your network. You can either select ERC20, OKC Arbitrum, or ETH Optimism. So for this example, let's say I'm using Sol. Let's say I'm using Sol right here. I search for Sol and I'm going to select the network and I click on Solana. Then all I need to do is to copy this address. So this is the address I am going to be sending the cryptocurrency to, the Solana to. So guys, that is how to deposit that's how to deposit cryptocurrency on your OKx account. Now once you deposit money on your OKx account, it gets deposited to your funding account right here. So you cannot trade with it. Get deposited to your funding account right here. So if you want to trade with it, all you need to do is to transfer it from your funding account to your trading account. And what do? All you need to do is to click on this transfer button right there. So once you click on the transfer button, to show you, are you transferring from funding to trading, or you can switch and transfer from trading to funding. So guys, once you do that, all you need to do is to click on the confirm button and you are ready to use it. And once you trade your cryptocurrency and you want to withdraw it, you need to swap it again. You have to transfer from your trading to your funding account, then you withdraw it. You can see the withdraw button right here. So that's the end of this particular video tutorial. If you like it, please ensure that you click on the like button and drop your comments in the comment section. If you actually love content like this, go ahead to subscribe to this channel, and if you want to see updates first, ensure that you turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.